India conducts the world's largest democratic election. It is managed by the Election Commission of India. Now let's learn what is the Election Commission of India. It is an independent constitutional body responsible for conducting free and fair elections in India. It was established on 25th of January 1950, and every year 25 January is celebrated as National Voters Day. It was mentioned under Article 324 of the Constitution of India. The Election Commission does not work under any ministry. Many people think it comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs, but it does not. Initially, in 1950, only one member, Chief Election Commissioner, was there. The reason of it is India had few voters than today. Elections were less complex. Fewer political parties existed. Administrative workload was manageable by one constitutional authority. The first chief election commissioner was Sri Sukumar Sen. In October 89, the government for the first time added two more election commissioners. For a shorter period of time, there was three election commissioners. The reason of it was voter population had increased massively, elections become more complicated, more political parties and states required coordination. However, this arrangement lasted only briefly. In 1990, it was changed back to one member. So, the reason of it was in January 1990, a new government came to power and removed the two additional election commissioners. The government said extra commissioners were not necessary, but many political analysts believe there was a concern about power sharing inside the commission. Some people felt that a multi member body could reduce the authority of the chief election commissioners. So, there 1993, again, permanent three-member body was there. Election had become extremely large, difficult to manage. Administrative workload has increased significantly. So, in 1993, the government permanently restored the three-member structure. All three members would have equal powers. Decision would be taken collectively. The chief election commissioner would be first among equals. Since then, the structure has been one chief election commissioner, two election commissioners. Till now, India has had 26 chief election commissioners. The current chief election commissioner is Sri Gyanesh Kumar. The other election commissioners are Sri Sukhbir Singh Sandhu and Sri Vivek Joshi.